Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to connect Wix to Google Analytics. So the first thing that we should do is we have to visit the analytics.google.com and then make sure that you have logged into your account. Okay, and then just use the search bar at the top and then type out analytics.google.com and you'd be directed to your dashboard once you have logged in using your Google account. Okay, so to check that, just click on your profile right here at the top right. And right here, the left side, we have this different options. So first one is the reports. So when you go here, you'll be able to see here all of the reports. Next is the explore. So for the exploration, we have freeform, funnel exploration, path exploration, then the block exploration. And the last one is the advertising. Okay, now let's go back to our home page. Then the next thing that we should do now is to open our Wix website. And right here, make sure that you have logged into your account. And then after that, you will then just have to select the site that you want to connect to the Google Analytics. Okay, so to select a site, just have to go to the site section. And then right here, I am going to use this site. So make sure to select a site. Okay, then just wait for a couple of seconds. And then once you're here, you'll be able to see here now the link of your website. Okay, so this one. Now let's go back to Google Analytics. So right here, start collecting data for your website. So select a data stream type to get tag information and measurement ID or SDK installation instructions. So just select a web for this one. And then right here, just have to set up your web stream. So for the website URL, just have to go back to Wix and then make sure to copy the URL of your website. So just click on copy clean link and then go back to analytics and then paste it right here. So you just have to check if it is HTTPS or HTTP. It's for my website, it's HTTPS. I'm going to delete this one right here. Then after that is your stream name. So you just have to type out right here your stream name. Okay, and then right here for the measuring, we can measure the page views, the scrolls, the outbound clicks, and more. So we also have site search, video engagement, and more. Now, if you would like to change the settings, just click on the gear icon, and here you can toggle the switch on or off if you want to include or exclude this kind of measurement. Okay, so after that, just click on save. That's right. So once everything is done, just click on create and continue. Okay, so now just have to wait for a couple of seconds. And then here for the data streams, we will be directed to the section, which is to set up a Google tag. So we can install with Wix. So sign in and install a Google tag through Wix. Or we can also install this one manually. So first I'm going to show you how you can install it manually. So below is the Google tag for this account. You just have to copy and paste it to the code of every page of your website. And then immediately after the head element, don't add more than one Google tag to each page. So for every page of your website, you just have to add one Google tag. So you just have to copy this code. Okay, that's right. Now go back to your Wix and then click on the edit side option, this one at the top right. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds, and then once you're on your website, all you have to do is to click on the add elements option at the top left of your screen. So that's right. Next thing that you should do is to head over to the embed code section. And then for the custom, you must select the popular embeds. And then here, just select the custom element. So just click on the plus icon and you'd be able to see this page. And as you can see, this is a custom element. So in order for us to use this one is we have to upgrade our site to a premium plan to see this element in your site live. Okay, so when you do that, when you upgrade your site with a premium plan, you'd be able to see this section, and then you'd be able to paste here the code where you can add the Google Analytics. Okay, so don't worry, even though I can show you that right here, if you do subscribe to a premium plan, then you just have to follow the process and then paste here the code. Okay, so here let's try to go to a different page and add the same element. So here is our product page. Now just go to the add element section once again at the top left of your screen. Then go to the embed code, and then here you just have to simply click on the plus icon of the custom element. Okay, so it's just the same since we are not subscribed to a premium plan. So right here we can also adjust the size of this element. So all you have to do is to paste here now the code if you have subscribed to a premium plan. So now that we are done on how to install it manually, let us now proceed in how we can install it with Wix. Okay, so we just have to select this one and click on the next option at the top right. Then right here, the first step that we should do is to copy your tag ID. So here is our tag ID. So just click on copy and then set up your Google tag with Wix. If you have tag ID starting with G, follow the steps below. So here is the instructions in your Wix account to the site dashboard in the left navigation panel. Click settings, and if you have multiple sites, first select the site to navigate to the site dashboard. Okay, next is under the advanced. Okay, just have to click on the marketing, and then the third one, the Google Analytics box, click connect. So we are going to follow this process. So let's start with step number one. So let us open our Wix and then go to the settings. That's right. Next one, let's go to the marketing integrations. Okay, so once done, after clicking on marketing integration, we'd be able to see here now the Google Analytics. So what we're going to do is to simply click on connect. Now we have to set up a Google Analytics property ID, and then after that, add Google Analytics ID. So of course we cannot click on this option because we are not subscribed to a premium plan. But if you're already subscribed to a premium plan, then just have to paste here your Google Analytics ID. And of course, if you are going to use the manual integration, just make sure that you're going to add one Google tagged every page of your site.
So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.